guys, this is Alex from Brothers Hobby. Today we're reviewing the Studio Sundowner Advent of Marvelous League Volume 3, The Rabbit, Makora and Mahoraga. If you haven't already, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and let's begin! So right now we'll be opening the Mahoraga first. So here is the Mahoraga, and there's the details about her, and then other details which I'm not gonna read. You can pause it and read it yourself. But as the Advent of Marvelous League series, it was a reference of the Chinese Zodiac, and it was saying that the rabbit is too strong, and then they split them in half, which became the Makora and Mahoraga. And if you want to know more, then you can read it later. And you can see her face right here. It's pretty neat. At the bottom. And again. So let's open it up. So right here is the card and the back. And we will open it up. You see Mahoraga herself. So right here you see Mahoraga. Her skull, it's pretty neat. Her makeup, it's really detailed. It's really doll-like. And her hair, or her ears that you can bend. Well, not bend, rotate. So you can rotate this ear to right about that. And then the inside, her neck, it's a silicone body. You can zip it up like so. And then her tube top right here. It's all silicone in the inside to here, and this is just plastic, and again this is just a plastic body. And the back right here, the headpiece. And this is just the jacket. And then the back of the tube top, you can see the body, the diaphragm that you can move it quite a bit. And then our pants at the back, it's silicone. And then after this is just plastic. On the arm, you can't move her finger, but you can see that her finger is quite sharp. The painting is pretty neat. And again on this side, the sharp nails of a rabbit. And then the blade of her boot. You can't rotate, and you cannot move left and right, but you can move forward and back about. So really flexible. You can move like that, and then the inside. You can't really move her heels, just a little bit. Or yeah, it's not really movable. And there's this piece for her stocking. And she should stand pretty well. Let's try. I don't think that she can stand by herself because her body is quite heavy at the top. And we can put her aside and open up the weapons or the accessories. So here's the cape that it comes with, or a clock you can say. And the inside, it comes with a figure dance stand this time. The previous one you don't get the figure stand. It's just the item itself. So here you go, Mahoraga, and just a plastic face stand. And here is the bottom, and then just the bow arc. Like so. And it also comes with the yaksha blade, 2 of them. The handles. It has this Asian feeling to it. And it comes with 2 mechanical arms, 2 mechanical legs. And it comes with 3 pairs of hands in total. There's a mask right here that you can put on. It also the cover. Right inside. We can choose. Oh, I haven't shown you the pair of hands yet. So right here, this is the fist. And the one she has is the relaxed position, and then this one it's more of the claw position. It also has the details for nails. And then the last pair of hands would be the one that's gripping on the weapons. And let's remove her hand and try on the blades, the ᵒᴥᵒᶅ blades. So here we go. The ᵒᴥᵒᶅ blade and the other one. Can we put it back on? So like that. And we can change the face as well. So you add the piece right here. And there's this knob on the side, right there. That you slide right on. And you can change it to this full face cover. And again on the knob right there at the side, that you slide them on both sides, and you cover her face into this armored face. And we can unpackage the cloth as well. It has this hole right here for the ears that you slide in, and it has this wire that you can adjust to the position you want in all sides. And both of these and the back, which is being folded in half right now. So the front will be 2 pieces and the back will be 1. So just silk fabric on the inside. The lining and the stitches is clean, no flyouts. So let's put her in the clock. And you can move both of her ears. You can position it to a running mode or something. The details on the ear, you can see. Right now we'll be opening the Makora. So here's Makora right here. The artwork at the front. So Mahoraga, it's black and gold. And this one is in white and pink. And some gold as well. And the Mahoraga has a purple box, and which this one has the pink box. I like pink personally. And same again, the same details, the story. Here we have Makora's card at the back. We'll put that aside. Here's Makora in the box, pretty neat. So this is the two headpiece right here. This is Mahoraga, this is Makora. The face one is in a light blue pupil, and that one is in a shiny yellow, more of a gold pupil. And then you can take a look at the headpiece right here. This one is in just a bluish white, and I don't know, it meant to be different, but this one seems to be lighter. And then the top, one in purple, one in white, in pink. On the side. And the side, this one is in the purple, the metallic gold and black. This one is in a shimmery gold, white and pink. And it has more detail. This one is just a solid color. And the jaw, it's the same but different painting as well. At the back, one is in teal, one is just in a purplish blue. And the nails right here. This one is in a shimmery gold, and that one is in a just black or brown. And on the arm, on the arm. This one is in a shimmery purple, and this one is in a white. And we can do the legs as well. It's in a different costume. This one has this, you can zip this up as well. To wherever you like. And the body is the same. Inside both silicone, both has a tube top. This one is in black, that one is in purple. And then this one has the pants, no stocking, and the leg. Bottom. In the back, the diaphragm you can move quite a lot, and the legs again, it's really flexible, shouldn't be any difficulties. And again, the ears is a little stiff, but you can move them like so. And again, this one comes with the gray cloth and with the stand, which is Makora. You just assemble it to this point right here. Like so. This one is the black one and the pink one. Whoops. So the two headpiece, the mask, and again this comes with 3 pairs of hands, a total of 4 pairs, the 3 pairs inside, and then 1 pair is on herself. And again, the covered mask right here, 1 in teal, 1 in like a purplish blue. So this is the hammer, the god color hammer that Makora has. It's really detailed and it's quite heavy right here, and it connects them with that, with the handle. It's quite heavy this to this, and I'm afraid if you're holding it like to here, just holding by this point, this thing might fall off, might chip off because it's too heavy. You can see it's slightly bending already. It's too heavy. I wish that they put like another metal. I don't know how they make this, but there might be a metal part inside, but it feels quite fragile because the top is too heavy. So please handle it with care. And so this hammer, which I said before that you could assemble the yaksha blade to this 2 point right here, that you can combine them. So right here there's the claw of them both. There's the inside of the claw. It has this dirty feeling to it, like a battle marks. Right here we have the fist. That has some battle paint to it. And then there's the weapons holding hand. We can put the mask on her. And again, the knob on both sides. You slide right on. Pretty easy. And like so. Oops. We can put her like that. Like that. So right here we can open the top. And the comparison, both should be, the difference should be just the coloring. So that's Makora's and Mahoraga's. Just like that. Both it was wired. And take away the ear. Like so. And then we can assemble the hammer with the two pieces. Yep. So right there you insert it, and the other side. Insert it to this right here. Oh, and then I didn't take the arm off. We can put it on Makora. Like so. I suggest holding the top because it's too heavy to hold it. You can even see right there. I'm afraid that it might fall down. So that's that. And we can do the full face as well. Like so. That's it for today. The review for the studio Sundowner's Advent of Marvelous League Volume 3, The Rabbit, Makora and Mahoraga. And if you haven't already, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any toy inquiries, please visit our website or our Facebook page. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye!